another quick one we got for you. I've just had a visitor in the workshop and I got asked a question: what's the piece of metal on top of the headstock of your lathe? You might just be able to see it right on the edge of the screen. This piece here. I'll just show you now what it's for. So there it is. Little piece of X bar. So what's it for? Basically, when you're changing the chuck or taking the chuck off. See, a lot of people now on this particular layer we have a spindle lock which engages and locks obviously your spindle. But I see so many people, excuse me a second, using the chuck key into one of the pinions, pulling and trying to undo your chuck that way. Yes, it works, but your key's not designed for that. For one, you've a lot of play in there, so you're going to start damaging the key. And the other one is you can damage the pinions. You can break them, you can crack them across the corner there. So why not use your chuck? So this piece of bar stock just goes in to your chuck. You tighten your chuck down, which we know that's what it's designed to do. And then get yourself a spanner. Now what I've actually done on the end with a number stamp, I've just stamped in 19, because in this case it's a 19mm, just so I know I can grab the spanner. So you engage your spindle lock and just use your spanner and just crack your chuck off like that. And the top tip what I've found is then, while it's still on, take your piece of bar out. It just lives on top of the headstock. Get your lathe protector we showed you in a previous video. Take your chuck off. And now when you put it back on, do the same thing. Tighten it down. But instead of just, I've seen people flick them, which then usually jams them on. You just basically put it back in again. Spindle lock. And just gently, just tighten up. And that's all you need to do. Take it out, and that just lives on top of the lathe. Every time that you need it, it's just there. I hope that made sense, and I hope it's a top tip that you can all use, help damage the damage to your chuck. You know, it's just a simple piece, handy little thing. Just leave it on top of your headstock or somewhere handy on a shelf. Get in the habit of using it, like we did with the lathe bed protector. Just have it handy to hand and try and get into the habit of using it every time. I say it'll save you potentially hundreds of pounds. It doesn't even have to be a piece of bar stock like that. You could use a nut and bolt, tighten them up, put that into your chuck, and use that to crack it off whenever time you want to change it. So top little tip for a little inexpensive piece of metal. Please go ahead and do that. So thanks for watching, YouTubers. If you won't mind, like and subscribe to the channel. Any comments, please put them down below. Any other helpful tips, please tell us. And until next time, YouTubers, it'll be right.